Hi everyone, welcome to Playday 2020. I've been asked to read a story about an adventure, so I've chosen a book that my children really loved when they were little. And in fact, you may see some of my daughter's handwriting in this book where she decided to do a little bit of artwork herself. And she's nearly 26 now, so it was a long time ago. So the book I've chosen is by Jill Murphy, one of our favourite children's authors, and it's called Whatever Next, and it's about a little bear. So shall we see what happened with this little bear and the adventure it went on? Can I go to the moon? Asked Baby Bear. No, you can't, said Mrs. Bear. It's bath time. Anyway, you'd have to find a rocket first. Baby Bear found a rocket in the cupboard under the stairs. He found a space helmet on the draining board in the kitchen and a pair of space boots on the mat by the front door. He packed his teddy and some food for the journey, and he took off up the chimney. Whoosh! Out into the night. An owl flew past. That's a smart rocket, he said. Where are you off to? The moon, said Baby Bear. Would you like to come too? Yes, please, said the owl. An aeroplane roared out of the clouds. Baby Bear waved, and some of the passengers waved back. On and on they flew, up and up, above the clouds, past millions of stars, till at last they landed on the moon. There's nobody here, said Baby Bear. There are no trees, said the owl. It's a bit boring, said Baby Bear. Shall we have a picnic? Oh, what a good idea, said the owl. Oh, we'd better go back, said Baby Bear. My bath must be ready by now. Off they went, down and down. The owl got out and flew away. Goodbye, he said. It was so nice to meet you. It rained, and the rain dripped through Baby Bear's helmet. Home went Baby Bear, back down the chimney and onto the living room carpet with a bump. Mrs. Bear came into the room. Look at the state of you, she gasped, as she led him away to the bathroom. Why, you look as if you've been up the chimney. As a matter of fact, said Baby Bear, I have been up the chimney. I found a rocket and I went to visit the moon. Mrs. Bear laughed. You and your story, she said. Oh, whatever next?